If Framer is not loading for you, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick and effective fixes you can try right now. This is one of those problems that can look serious at first, but in many cases it's caused by a simple browser issue, a temporary outage, or something small in your settings. So before you waste time reinstalling anything or making big changes, follow these steps in order and you'll give yourself the best chance of getting Framer working again fast. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. First, open Framer and do a hard refresh using Ctrl, Shift and R on Windows or Command, Shift and R on a Mac. A normal refresh sometimes isn't enough because the browser may keep loading older cached files. A hard refresh forces Framer to load the newest version of the page, which can solve loading problems caused by broken or outdated data. After you do that, wait a few seconds and see if the app loads properly. If Framer still isn't loading, the next thing to do is check the Framer status page for any outages. Sometimes the issue is not on your device at all, but with Framer's servers or services. If there's an outage, you may see delays, blank pages, or features not responding. Checking the status page saves you time because it tells you whether the problem is local or if you just need to wait until Framer fixes it on their end. If everything looks fine on the status page, close your browser completely and reopen it. This simple step can fix temporary glitches in the browser session that prevent Framer from loading correctly. Make sure you fully close the browser, not just the tab, and then open it again and try Framer one more time. Sometimes a fresh browser session is all it takes. If that doesn't work, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored files and cookies can become corrupted or outdated, and that can interfere with how Framer loads. Go into your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear the cached files and cookies for Framer or for the browser in general. After clearing them, sign back in if needed and try loading the project again. The final fix is to disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or anything that might interfere with web apps. Extensions can sometimes prevent Framer from loading scripts, assets, or login sessions correctly. Try turning them off temporarily, then refresh Framer and check if it opens normally. If it works after disabling an extension, you found the cause and you can re-enable them one by one to identify which one is causing the issue. So to recap, if Framer is not loading, start with a hard refresh, check for outages, restart your browser, clear cache and cookies, and disable any troublesome extensions. In most cases, one of these steps will get you back into Framer quickly. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Framer troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.